Hello my dear loving kids, how are you all? I just hope that you all are fine. So children, so far we have completed our lesson number 7. Now today in this video I am going to discuss the exercises questions. Okay, now you have already done these question answers before, but still I am making this video for those who do not know how to write down the answers and those who have not written the answers properly. Okay, so just it is a kind of a revision. Okay, you just have to recheck the answers from here and do correction of yourself in your notebook and book. Got it, children? So children, in page number 95, exercises questions are given. Now here comes our first question, that is fill in the blanks. Exercises questions are there. Okay. So the first part, Dash connects millions of computers together through telephone lines, cables and other means to form network. Yes, children, but Internet connects millions of computers so that they can share information. Okay. Second, a modem is a dash between a computer and internet. Yes, children, it is a link. What is it? It is a link between the computer and internet. Now third, dash is used to get internet connection without using any telephone line or cable. Yes, data card. It is a wireless connection, children. Without wire, you can also connect to the internet. You can also use the internet. Fourth, home page is the first page when you open a dash. Obviously, when we open a website, the first page that appears on the screen is the home page. Now here comes the second question. Write T for true and F for false for the following statements. First, it is generally used as a way to communicate, use information tools to share a large amount of information. Now children, here the statement is not proper. It is generally used. It here refers to the internet. Okay. So this statement is true. Okay. Second, telephone line is required to disconnect the internet. No, children. For the internet connection, it is required. So this statement is wrong. Write down F. Third one, search engine allows the user to enter a keyword related to the information required. Yes, children, in a search engine, when we put any keyword, any letter, it just keeps give you the options related to that keyword. Okay, it gives you a lot of information about that. So this statement is true. Correct. So write down true. Fourth, moving between different websites is known as net surfing. Yes, children. Opening any web page, just going from one web page to another web page, from one link to another link, it is called net surfing. So this statement is correct. Write down true. Okay, children. Now children, turn on to page number 96. Here the question is given, match the following. Okay. Now the first part, MTS. MTS is what? It is an internet connection. Next, wired broadband. Wired broadband is a high-speed internet service through wire technology. Okay, telephone lines are used to get the internet connections. Okay, so wired broadband, they help us to increase the speed of the internet. Homepage. Homepage is the main page, means the first page of any website. URL, it provides the location of the web page to a web browser. Means it gives us the address of the website. Okay, children? Children, here comes our question number 8. Answer the following in one word. First one, it contains various tabs and each tab contains a group of commands. So the answer is web browser. When we open a web browser, it contains various tabs, and when we click on those tabs, they help us to give the commands, the different commands to the computer. Okay. Second, the first page you see when you open a website, home page. Okay. Third one, it provides the location of a web page to a web browser. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. It gives you the address of the website. Okay. Fourth one, it is a program that searches through a collection of web pages for information on a desired topic. Yes, children. Search engine helps you to search for the information on any topic. Okay, children. Now, next question, question number 9. Write short answers. Question 1. What do you understand by internet? So here comes our second question on page number 97. Define World Wide Web. Here comes our third question. What is hyperlink? Now the question number 4. Define search engine. Now children, question number 10. Write long answers. Question 1. Write the steps to open a web browser. Have a look on the answer. Now, question number 2. Name some of the famous search engines. Write the steps to search the information. So children, here comes our question number 11. Multiple choice questions. That is MCQs. Okay, 4 options are given. You have to find out the correct answer. First one, which one of these is not an internet service provider? Which one of them is not an ISP? ISP is an organization or the companies that provide you the internet connections. Okay, so BSNL, Airtel and MTS, these are the internet service providers, but Scanner is not. So, option C is the answer, Scanner. Okay. Now the second part. A computer is connected to a modem which is connected to the dash. Telephone line. So option 1. Telephone line. Okay. Third, a dash consists of files or documents containing information are called web pages. Yes, a website contains various web pages related to it. Okay. Fourth, which one of these is not a search engine? Google, Yahoo and Wikipedia, these are the examples of the search engine. So what is left? Facebook. So option B, it is not a search engine. Instead, it is a social networking website. Okay, children? B part. So, children, I just hope that you all have understood today's question answers. we have discussed the exercises questions over here. Now just complete all the question answers in your book and notebook. Those who have not sent the homework till yet, I request to complete all the work on time. Otherwise it will it will be very troublesome for you all. At the last moment it will it will get bulky to do all these works. Okay children, so I just request complete your complete your work on time. So children, it is must to complete your work on time and send us the mail on regular basis so that we can keep the record of the students. Otherwise at the last you have to pay for it. Otherwise at the last it will be troublesome for you. Okay children, so this is enough for today in this video. We will be meeting soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.